Welcome to my greenhouse. Today we're going to make some kind of pickled tomatoes. Tag along and I'll show you how to make them. Okay, so the first step in this pickled tomato part is fairly simple. What I did was I picked 1 pound of tomatoes. Then I'm going to take each of them, and I've got a regular sewing needle. I'm just going to puncture them, make small holes, something like so. And then we're going to salt them, put them in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours to drain out a little bit of liquid and salt them. Then we're going to make a brine. I'll show you that when we come to it this afternoon. So I'm going to do this. And there we go. I just realized I've got 2 zucchinis. I'm going to put them in there as well. Okay, so I just peel them and then I'm going to cut them into little chunks like this. I think this is going to look nice in the jar. There we go. And then to this we're going to add 1/5 of a cup of regular table salt. Don't worry, it might sound like a lot, but we will wash these off after they've been lying in the fridge for a couple of hours, so it shouldn't really be a problem, and they shouldn't be overly salty. Okay, just give them a mix. I'm going to put a lid back on this and I'll bring you back in a few hours. The tomatoes have been in the fridge for about 2 hours, so it's time to make the brine. I'm going to start off using distilled vinegar, 1 deciliter, 2/5 of a cup. Water, 1.5 deciliter, 3/5 of a cup. 1 deciliter of granulated sugar, that's 2/5 of a cup. 1 tablespoon of ginger and 3 cloves. Just get them in there. 2 sticks of cinnamon and 1 stick of vanilla that I halved and actually cut lengthwise. And now I'm just going to bring this to a boil and let it sit until it's time to pour it over the tomatoes. Okay, there we go. So it's been almost 4 hours. I've got a couple of jars here. I have washed this off and let the excess water drain. And then I washed some thyme, twigs of thyme that I'm going to put in there together with the tomatoes. And then we're just going to distribute this in the two jars. I'm going to try to get some of the zucchini in each as well. I think that's going to be good enough. And then we're going to take the boiling brine, or whatever it's called, and pour on top of here. I'm going to put about half of it in each just to see how much it is, and if needed I'm just going to top off with boiling water. Well, it's going to be okay. It's going to be enough. I'm going to fill it to the top. This smells like Christmas. Well, there is actually a little bit of gap up there, so I'm just going to pour some boiling water on top of here. And then this goes into the food cellar for at least 3 or 4 days before we try them. Well, some pickled tomatoes. Thanks for watching. Bye.